Hi, I'm Natalie from Fallon Solutions, and today we're here at the Queensland Koala Society in Chandler for this year's Fallon Cares initiative. Sending Christmas cards is a wonderful way of saying thank you, but we decided to say thanks by giving back to the community. The Queensland Koala Society is a rescue and rehabilitation sanctuary for koalas and other wildlife, and they're relying on donations to cover the ongoing costs of feeding and caring for the animals. So today we're here to donate our time by helping out. I've got a big team of tradespeople from all different kinds of trades and office people with me today, and they're keen to volunteer. Thank you so much for coming today. I really appreciate it. Thanks for volunteering. It's going to be a really fun day. We're all going to work hard and probably get sweaty because it's probably going to be really warm.
So I've been caring for about 7 years now. I volunteered with RSPCA for 4 years. Was driving the ambulance and did a lot of rescuing of animals, and my passion after rescuing my first koala came from that, and I suppose, I've been doing that ever since. We can care for anything, almost everything except for bats. So at the moment we've got kookaburras and we've got tawny frogmouths, we've got echidnas, got a couple of bandicoots, galahs. Usually we've got possums and we've got gliders. It's a big array of animals coming through. We had 3 kookaburras we received this morning when a tree was felled down at Calabar, so they'll be in care for quite a while. We have a handful of really good volunteers, probably maybe 10 really good volunteers. Can always do with some more.
We also have a team of electricians, and they're installing outdoor lights. At the moment, there are not many outdoor lights at this place, which can be a bit tricky if there's an emergency in the middle of the night. So with these motion sensor lights, they will be a great addition to this place, because that way, if there is an emergency and a volunteer needs to check up on an animal when it's dark, they will automatically turn on and illuminate the place. So Ben, what's happening here?
We're just installing some outdoor lighting so the volunteers can see when they're feeding animals at night, and then don't have to worry about switching them off. They'll just turn off when they go out.
Perfect. You're doing great work.
Thanks.
I'll let you get back to it. So Emily, who do you have here?
This is little Gemma.
Little Gemma. How old is Gemma?
She's about 11 months old.
And you're feeding her today?
Yes. So she gets fed by a 1mm syringe. She loves to grab onto it and make a mess.
What's your favorite part about volunteering?
Just being able to get these guys back to the wild. It's really awesome.
So essentially what I'm doing here, Angela, is just programming up your camera for you.
Okay.
Making sure the picture's all nice, naming it, making sure it's recording for you, so if anyone kind of sneaks over this fence here, we'll capture them.
Perfect.
That natural light's got a bit of a glare on it, but I'll fix all that up for you in a moment.
So Josh, you're all done with the smoke alarm.
Yep, so got a smoke alarm in the kitchen here just in case there's any smoke. Going to detect it. It does have a 10-year battery, so you shouldn't have to change the battery ever again. So in 10 years you have to replace the smoke alarms anyway. So you just throw away the unit and get a new one.
Our plumbers are also on the tools and they're installing a toilet and a basin that can be used by volunteers and visitors.
Today mostly we were working on setting up a small bathroom with a toilet and a vanity in there. Because of where the toilet is, or that bathroom is, it's a little bit lower than the drain, so we've got to mash it up and pump it up to a higher point to where we can connect it to the drain so that it then works properly.
Our air conditioning technicians are installing a split system air conditioner to keep the space nice and cool.
So this is a Mitsubishi electric 3.5 kilowatt air conditioner. This is going to go in the room downstairs where all the kitchenette's going.
Yep.
To keep our crew nice and cool while they help out koalas and wallabies and everything like that here.
Today we're upgrading the food preparation area by putting in a kitchen, and we're creating more storage space by building shelves. So Eddie, how's it all going here?
Yeah, no, it's going really good. We're getting a lot faster at building these than we did with the first one. We're on number 3 now. So these are going in the food prep area. They're going to be housing all of the new containers with the new label food and things like that for the little fellas that have been rescued here.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for helping out
No
today.
dramas.
Wow!
Do you like what we found with the
Wow! Amazing! What a difference!
place? Yeah, we've got the kitchen
Wow.
here that you'll be
Wow.
able to use for the food preparation.
Wow!
We've got lots of storage space over
Excellent.
there.
Wow!
Also in this corner where you can
Like
store
cleaning.
your cleaning
Yeah,
products.
perfect!
And definitely don't forget about the aircon.
Oh,
That's
air
gonna keep
conditioning,
the
thank
space
goodness
nice
for
and
that.
cool.
Wow, I have a toilet. Excellent
Yeah,
for the volunteers. No,
And
so
also amenity.
excellent.
And then also more storage space.
Lovely.
around
Look at that. Oh, for all the towels, for all the pouches.
It's been a long day today and everyone worked super hard, but we got it all done and that's very rewarding. If you want to get involved and help save the koalas, there are plenty of ways to do so. You can always volunteer at a place like the Queensland Koala Society. They're always looking for volunteers. Isn't that right, Gemma? You can also make a donation. Merry Christmas from Fallon Solutions.